Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here because we are going to be changing the battery on this Dyson. Let me let you hear why. It's got no sucking power. And this is the Animal Dyson. It's actually my second Dyson. And this is the second time I've actually replaced this battery. So this is the battery. I get it on Amazon. And when I go to edit this video, I'll tell you when the last time I changed this was, but it's real easy to do. So like I said, this is my second one. My first one, I gave to my son for his house. And then this one is for my house. And honestly, I keep thinking about upgrading, but I'm like, why should I do that when all I have to do is just change out a battery? So for me, there's just this, I don't know if I have the right, try to grab the right tools. It's a tiny screw. It's right there. Ah, I got the right screwdriver. Yay! All right. And I'm telling you, this is like super easy peasy. Now I did put this down because I did clean out the vacuum, but I do have dogs, cats, and this gets used. So I figured there might be some dust. So what I'm gonna do is, just so I don't get confused, I'm gonna mark this one the no good one. This way, if I happen to get them blah blah blah, you know, mixed up. So let's take this apart. You know what I'm gonna do? I probably have John blow this out. There we go. With the air compressor. But this actually gives me a good reason to just clean it up. Like clean around where everything is. So once that is unscrewed, there's another screw right here. So on mine, and I'm not sure about other models, this one has 2 screws. And watch this. Easy peasy. Easy, easy peasy. And then we take this one and pop it back in. So if you have a Dyson, and you all know that Dysons are a little bit on the pricey side, it's not garbage if it stops not doing its job correctly. So real quick, we will, this is a ratchet screwdriver. I love this screwdriver. It's not dead in the water, so it'll give it another life. This is actually its 3rd life on this one. And I would love to get a new one, but maybe I'll budget for that in the new year. But for appliance purposes, I literally just recently got a new dryer that I'm paying off, 0% financing, which I love. And then I said to John, I said, come the new year, our refrigerator is very old. Once the dryer is paid off, I would like to do the refrigerator combo and get a new one there. Here I am just cleaning out the dust. And like I said, we do have cats and dogs. Maybe I'll speed this video up. Maybe you won't hear me. All right, let's give this a test run. I got my vacuum back. Ha! And there you have it. We did it. It was quick, easy. I will link this in the description box below, and I'll tell you the last time that I ordered one of these. My grandma, I'm going to tell you this quick story. My grandma back would fix anything. And this is where I learned it from. And back in those days, let's go to the 70s. Things weren't as accessible as they are now, right? My grandma would fix plugs and outlets and vacuums. I remember her fixing our Electrolux, taking it apart, unclogging it, cleaning that part of it. There was nothing my grandma couldn't do. And so I guess I want to say that this video is in honor of my grandma who taught me, don't throw it away, fix it first. If it's a item that you know is worthy of it. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.